Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jubara. It's Barb. So first in today's video, I wanted to thank COMPLETEDISASTER for sending me this 1500 watt indoor portable 2-in-1 barbecue electric grill. So anyway, this comes with, you can flip this over, you can make pancakes on this side, so that's really cool. And then you have the grill side. I have been using this thing nonstop. The other night we had company. I made everybody some burgers. I use it for my little, when I want to eat just some sausages and crackers, which I'm showing y'all today. The other day, the kids and I also made s'mores in the little dishes underneath. So you get 8 of those, which is really cool. And that just, you can warm things up under there or even cook things slowly under there with the burners. So it's really cool. So I'm just going to put some sausages on here. Like I said, I love to make these little easy, simple things to eat every now and then. So just some crackers with some little sausages, some little smokies, some turkey and cheese and bacon, and it just goes down really good. So yeah, these are very affordable, these grills. If you want to go check it out, I will have it linked down below. I got the green one. I really liked it, but it's just super convenient. You can make steaks on here, just anything that you can think to grill, you can make it on this thing. So I really have been enjoying it. It can range from warm to scorching temperature. It's suitable for roasting all kinds of foods. So it's a nice little thing to have, and it's really easy to clean. It's non-stick. It has the grill plate is 19 by 9 inches. So yeah, if you want to go check them out, like I said, I will have it linked down below. So that way and there will also be a code that you can get a discount. And like I said, they're already super affordable. So with a discount, I can just imagine. So yeah, go check those out. And I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all how I make my little buffet for my cheese and crackers. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I just like to do this, have a sip of wine, and it just made it super easy. Don't have to dirty a lot of pots and pans. Just throw everything on the grill and go for it. So I really enjoy having this thing. Y'all will see it a lot, I'm sure, in future videos. Because like I said, I've been making burgers on here, all kinds of stuff. S'mores in the bottom. You can put like eggs in the bottom too. Like there's just so many different things you can do. So definitely go check that out. I highly recommend these. And thank you, COMPLETEDISASTER, for sending me this grill. It will get a lot of use.
Take some pills, but this is not how it's supposed to feel. Upside down and in and out, I guess I have to take a break. Get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call.
So now I'm going to show y'all the mess in the kitchen. It wasn't that bad. The living room was the worst on this day. It was just a wreck. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up in here really quick, unload the dishwasher, load it back up, all that fun stuff. Actually, you know what? I didn't even have to unload the dishwasher, which never happens. But I'm going to go ahead and load that back up. I hope everybody's doing well. I have been just doing a lot of projects around the house. I have a lot going on. It's super exciting stuff. I can't wait to share with y'all. But yeah, just kind of been taking it easy and enjoying the weather, doing a lot of stuff outside. I'm going to be painting a lot of things, doing some DIYs, doing a little uplift with some other things. So I hope y'all are subscribed. If you're not, then subscribe now. Hit the bell for notifications. Even if you are subscribed, make sure your bell's on, because YouTube knocks people off all the time where they stop letting you know when videos are posted. So I know a lot of people have that problem. They come tell me like, oh, I haven't seen you in months. It's because YouTube will either unsubscribe you or they will turn off the notification bell, which is not cool, but you know, I don't know why they do it, but they do it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, keep tidying up in here. I'm going to play some music for y'all. I'm going to talk to y'all in a bit, show y'all some stuff I got from Hobby Lobby for some DIYs I'm going to be doing. Just all the things. So yeah, I have been making the videos a little shorter, but just so I can get a few more out to y'all. And I will have some longer videos coming up, some makeovers, and just a lot of fun stuff. So I hope y'all are here for it.
It's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions. Last reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. I try to work.
So I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and I got me a new pick for weeding, and I got me some tape. I got white vinyl and black vinyl. I should be doing some projects pretty soon. I don't know if I'm going to get to any today because the house is destroyed. You'll see it in just a second. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all really quick. Like, I was so happy to get this stuff because I haven't been able to like be creative in a long time. I really need it right now. So anyway, that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. And my daughter got a plant, but she's already got that in her room. She's on this whole kick where she wants like a really like cottage kind of feel room, like really pretty and dainty. So I'm so excited for that, but I don't know when we'll be able to get to it because like their rooms are the next on the list after we finish the accent wall over there, which I should be doing this week, or this next week, hopefully. Today we are going to take that out. We're going to start working on it. I just need to get the black paint. I need to go get the gold knobs. I am doing it how my husband really, I can just see him loving it. So anyway, we're going to do it like that, but that whole wall is going to change. And I'm so excited about that. So anyway, yeah, let's get back to cleaning. I'm just going to wipe down the counters real quick in here, run the vacuum because the floor is pretty messy. And then we'll go in the living room, which is crazy. So I'll show y'all in a minute, but Jeremiah is in there right now with his diaper. So anyway, yeah, we'll go ahead and wipe this down real quick. Transfer.
Moving to the beat of the night till the lights go out.
So we are just about done in here. Gonna finish vacuuming, and then I'll show y'all how the kitchen turned out. I did not mop on this day. I'm not proud of myself, but I was just over it, and it's just life. Like I always say, I'm just happy to make the house presentable. But the living room was absolutely crazy. As y'all know, this is where Jeremiah hangs out, and he will be in today's video helping us clean in here. So yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying this so far. Like, this is just a real life. This is having a 3-year-old. I know to a lot of people this is crazy messy. To some people the house isn't that messy. Everybody's different. And I always see these Instagram reels or TikToks where they're like, normalize this, normalize that. What is normal? What is normal? Some people have their house spotless every single day. Some people love to wake up and put makeup on and do their hair every day. Some people are chilling and not even worried about all that stuff. Everybody is different. So we just need to, I guess, try to normalize that nothing is normal. Everybody's different, and let's embrace each other and be cool about it. Like, I love organizing, and I love things to flow, and I love a beautiful home. It just brings me peace. But I don't go to anybody else's house and judge them for not having that, you know, because we are who we are, and we like what we like, and we should be able to express ourselves and do our thing without feeling the judgment or whatever. Like, you know, just live your best life. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get the couch dressed. Everybody loves this part. I have to wash these constantly because it's a really light color. And as y'all can see, this is Jeremiah's room pretty much. This is where he hangs out all day. So I do wash these quite a bit. But I absolutely love them. And like I said before, I have them linked in my Amazon store, which I'll have linked down below in the description box as well.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. I try to fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me like the moon around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. And there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. Feel the same. Oh, there's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. porch sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know.
So this is the wall I'm going to be redoing soon, and I'm going to be redoing this piece here. So I need to take it out and get this finished off and see what we can do with it. I've been watching a lot of woodworking, as y'all know. So we're going to sand these, and this is probably going to be painted black. We're going to go get the gold knobs for it. As you can see, it needs new knobs. And yeah, hopefully it'll turn out good. I'm thinking about leaving like all the real wood, it's actual wood color. And then this pressed wood, we're gonna go ahead and paint that. So hopefully it'll turn out nice. And then this is gonna be a brick wall. So I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna just get another lamp for here, or I kind of want to buy a gold sconce to tie into the gold knobs that we're gonna have on here. So we'll see how all that works. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Hopefully this video motivated y'all, got y'all ready to clean. It's 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna go change and get outside and do some yard work.